after many exciting events, I'm back in the woods in the backyard, and this channel gets back to its roots, which is Joey Jeff's backyard. We've been suffering. I feel the nature spirits suffering from a drought, and we've had a few days of rain by some miracle. The pleas, the plaintive cries of the woods spirits have reached the heavens, and they've blessed these woods with life-giving rain. Do you hear that little animal going cluck, 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 cluck? I hear one distant jet. God, I hope that's not being picked up. But I don't know if you can tell. It's like the cloud layer is thickish. A slight darkness has come over the woods, but it's beautiful. The darkness is due to rain clouds, and I feel blessed. Let's walk a little bit. Let me hold the camera. Let me try this. Let's walk. Let me see. How does that look? You know, I'm walking, holding my arm back. It's at a very unusual angle. Let's see how that looks. My patient viewers can decide if they appreciate this angle. I certainly found it irritating to my shoulder. Anyway, get a load. The beauty. Oh God, ignore the jet. The woods rejoices from the gentle rain.